Hi everyone, this is K30 eSSL Pro. Just now I have installed this one. This is the option to shut on or shut off, like this way. For long pressing, this is a shut on, and if you want to turn on this one, this is the you have to press this long press. Okay, this is the SMPS provided by them, and I have given the input here. This is the input. There is a little connector. So now I have already created one dummy user ID. So I have given a user ID 1. Okay, and the password is.
Thank you.
Now it is unlocked. You can see one is I have created user ID 1 2 3 4 5 6. This password.
Thank you.
It has been unlocked and automatically it will reset. So same the way from inside you can press this button. This is the NO button. It is unlocked and on. So this is the user. So I will explain the wiring. How do we wire? How do we make wiring this one? Already you know this. This is from SMPS, and one cable is given there. So they provided only 2 connectors. This is the 2-pin connector. This is the 7-pin connector. So 2-pin connector I am placing here. This is the power input to charge, and this is 7-pin is for magnet and push button. So I kept here. So 2 I have done, and they mentioned here with words ground, 12 volts ground button, NO1, common one, NC1. So you can very easily install this one. And this is to fix in wall, at wall. If you fix this at wall, with drilling, it will be placed like here. You can place like this. Okay, this is for wall purpose or panel purpose. So now I'll explain the wiring. See, 2-pin we have directly given SMPS input, and this is a 7-pin. In a 7-pin we have given ground. There is a 2 grounds here. You can use any ground. So simply first ground I have given to EM lock negative. Okay, ground wire I have given to EM lock negative, and NC1 I have given to EM lock positive, NC1. This yellow wire is NC1. So directly I have given both wires to the EM lock, and this is the one wire is 12 volts out and one is common one. Both are I am shorting here. I have twisted. So we have twisted this, and we will tape this one and keep side. From the device we have to twist these 2 and leave it. Coming to this push button, gray wire, button wire we have given to push button 1 wire, and second push button 1 wire I have given to ground. So there is a 2 ground wires. One is given to EM lock negative, and one more ground I have given to the push button. So this is the push button. If I press this button, and magnet will be unlocked. See, I have set the time for 2 seconds, so it is for 2 seconds. After 2 seconds it will automatically reset. You can set this EM lock up to 10 seconds. So this is very easy installation. Thank you.